Hello and welcome to the 9th day of the 12 days of Christmas giveaway. The hat is gone. We are in New Year's Eve. This is the last video that I'm going to make for 2019. It's going to be 2020 tomorrow, and it's a whole new roaring 20s for us to get our teeth into. Massive thank you before I go any further to everyone that's got involved with this, has left comments and has got excited about the prize draws. And a huge thank you to all the vendors who in 2019 sent me products to review and help keep this channel going. And a massive thank you in particular to vendors like Armatan, ZOHD, Menace RC, Sonic Model, 3DXR and those other people who have sent products for me to use as part of this giveaway. But of course there needs to be a big thank you to everybody that's got involved with the channel, has subscribed and liked what I do here and interacted. This channel is not about me being a personality or making a living out of YouTube. What it is about passing on useful advice, tips and tricks to help other pilots not get into the same mess that I or my friends get into. So thank you everybody for being part of that and keeping me going with positive feedback. Now with all that said, let's get into the last giveaway for 2019 anyway, for the 12 days of Christmas. This one is back to Sonic Model. So a big thank you to Sonic Model for sending me this to have a play with. This is the mini AR wing this time. Now this was the first model, for those of you that remember, back in summer 2019 that I built with Ardu plane and a little omnibus flight controller. I ended up putting a little run cam hybrid up in the front, and it is brilliant. It's super portable. You just strap it across the back of my pack when I go walking, and when I get somewhere that I want to fly away from everywhere, then I can just put the wing off the back and go and launch it. It's got the auto launch features and everything. Now this again is the kit, so it doesn't have any electronics, but if you would like to have a go at building a wing or having a go at one of your own projects and you're looking for the foam to put the wing together, then as usual, like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to put the bell notification icon on. Best wishes to everybody for 2020, and I shall see you tomorrow where we have a whole new year. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support, and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlists around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.